Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the fun with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson, I actually went to Mpumalanga to visit my parents, and for today's lesson, I'm with my dad. Dad, please introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Mr. Joseph Digrat Ampofu, and that's my son.
Yes.
You are all welcome.
So for today's lesson, we have two translations from two different people. So the first person that needed something translated was Afare, and these are the things that Afare wanted to know. So the first thing that Afare wanted to know was, I am going to serve my food and come. The sentence again is, I am going to serve my food and come. So that in TWI can be said as, Merekɔte meduane aba. Again, Merekɔte meduane aba. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Thank you. So the second thing that Afare wanted to know was, do you want me to serve your food for you, or will you do it yourself? Do you want me to serve the food for you, or will you do it yourself? So that in TWI can be said as, Wopɛ mete w'aduane no ma wo, anaa wankasa wobɛyɛ. Again, Wopɛ mete w'aduane no ma wo, anaa wankasa wobɛyɛ. Are we still fine?
That's okay.
Okay. Sorry for the wind. It's a bit windy, so sorry for that. The next thing that Afare wanted to know was, I am going to heat my food and come. I am going to heat my food and come. So that in TWI can be said as, Merekɔka meduane hyiaba. Again, Merekɔka meduane hyiaba. The next thing that Afare wanted to know was, can I please have the bill, or can you please get me the bill? Now that in TWI can be said as, Mepaucho metumi ekamide. Again, Mepaucho metumi ekamide. Am I still fine?
I am fine.
All right, thank you so much. The next thing that Afare wanted to know was, do you want me to wrap it for you? Do you want me to wrap it for you? So that in TWI can be said as, Wopɛ mechichiri mau. Again, the sentence is, Wopɛ mechichiri mau. Am I still fine?
You're fine.
Okay, thank you so much. So the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, will you eat before you bath? Will you eat before you bath? So that in TWI can be said as, Wobɛdidi ansa na wadware. Wobɛdidi ansa na wadware. So the next thing that Afare also wanted to know was, we have to pay before we leave. We have to pay before we leave. And that in TWI can be said as, ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtua ansa na yɛfiri ha. ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtua ansa na yɛfiri ha. So the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, I will pay the bill for all of us. I will pay the bill for all of us. And that in TWI can be said in two ways. The first way is, metua ka no ama yɛn nyinaa. Again, metua ka no ama yɛn nyinaa. And the second way of saying it is, metua yɛn nyinaa ka no. Again, metua yɛn nyinaa ka no. And guys, sorry for the wind. We are under a tree, so the wind is just blowing. So forgive the windy noise, right? And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, let's end our conversation and continue later. Let's end our conversation and continue later. And that in TWI can be said as, yɛntwa yɛn nkɔmmɔ no so na yɛntoa so akyire. Again, yɛntwa yɛn nkɔmmɔ no so na yɛntoa so akyire. That's about it for Afare. Afare, thanks again. Thanks for your continued support. I really, really appreciate it. And the next person that wanted something translated was Drew. Drew, thanks for your continued support. And this is what Drew wanted to know in TWI. So Drew wanted to know how to say, won't she learn? Won't she learn? And that in TWI can be said as, wonsua. Wonsua.
Wonsua.
Wonsua.
Wonsua.
Wonsua. But won't she learn? Not you.
Oh.
Won't she learn?
Oh, won't she learn?
Yeah. Is wonsua. Because we don't have she or he.
Okay.
So, wonsua.
Man,
Wonsua. Yes, we don't have that. Yeah. So, guys, my dad says I'm right. Okay. Guys, that's about it for this lesson. Thanks to Afare and thanks to Joe. All your support and all your comments are highly appreciated. As usual, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers, right? Thank you for loving the content enough to actually subscribe to it. To my old subscribers, I just want to say you guys are the best. And if you can, as I said, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If you can, do please spread the word. Tell anyone who wants to learn TWI or wants to find out what TWI is about to come to this channel. If they want, they can go through the content, and if they enjoy the content, they can actually subscribe to it, right? And guys, remember, if you do enjoy the content, right, please click on the like button. please click on the subscribe button and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And remember guys, if you can as well, to help you learn the language quicker, please go to the Google store. Please go download the TWI Junior Pro app. It's less than $1. With that and this, you learn the language quicker, right? And guys, it was something that I was thinking with a friend, right? Somebody suggested that if possible, we could have a Saturday live session. So if you guys agree with that and you're interested with that, we could have it maybe once or twice in a month. So what I'll do is I'll have a friend, right? A friend called Mark who knows TWI very well. Then we'll have, if possible, let's start with one Saturday in a month where everyone can actually join the live session, ask whatever you want in TWI to be an hour long. Then we'll actually translate that and get to know each other and learn the language quicker as well and better as well. So guys, with lots of love from Kwesi and my dad. I'm visiting him because my mom went for an eye operation and we're just here to see if she's okay or not, right? So Nati's here as well. So from us, the whole family, with lots of love, see you in our next video. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.